Hi, hello, வணக்கம் friends. Now we are going to see how to make a smoke effect in coffee cup by using chroma key in kinemaster. ஸோ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். வீடியோக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க, அப்படியே லைக் பண்ணிங்க. First of all, open the kinemaster application and click on the plus icon. Now you can go to empty projects. Then click on the media browser and select the photo what you want. You can see it will be moving, so we don't want to like that. So click here and then it and adjust this photo as you want. Okay, next click on the layer, go to media, then select a green screen video. No, we don't want this ad. Okay, then trim it here to left. Okay, now long press to move this. You can adjust like that. Okay, then you can move this to over the cup. Okay, then scroll it. You can see chroma key, enable it. You can see here a key color, select green. It is changes. There is a change. Now this is the matter. You can adjust it how you want. And click to see the final result. That's it. Click here to save. Choose the resolution you want. Waiting for export. Then you can see play button. Click to see the final result. Yeah, that's it.